In this section, we're going to embark on a journey across the world to explore the extensive global reach of Samsung, a company that knows no borders. Samsung's influence isn't confined to a single region, it's a truly global force. Let's take a look at how they've established themselves in various countries, making a significant impact on the world economy. With operations spanning across 6 continents and numerous countries, Samsung has strategically positioned itself to reach billions of people worldwide. They've set up state-of-the-art manufacturing and production facilities in many countries, creating jobs and contributing to local economies. These facilities produce a wide range of Samsung products that find their way into homes and hands worldwide. Samsung's retail presence is equally impressive. From flagship stores in bustling metropolises to authorized retailers in smaller towns, Samsung products are accessible to people from all walks of life. But it's not just about business for Samsung. They've actively engaged with the communities in which they operate. Through corporate social responsibility initiatives, they're making a positive impact on education, healthcare, and community development. And let's not forget about their global partnerships and collaborations. Samsung collaborates with various organizations and entities, fostering innovation and bringing people together. In this section, we're going to shine a spotlight on Samsung's commitment to environmental responsibility and sustainability, as they work toward a greener and more sustainable future. Samsung recognizes its role in preserving our planet and is dedicated to minimizing its environmental footprint. One way they do this is through the development of eco-friendly products. From energy-efficient appliances to sustainable packaging, Samsung is making choices that benefit both consumers and the environment. They're also actively working to reduce electronic waste. Samsung's recycling programs aim to responsibly dispose of old devices while salvaging valuable materials, reducing the burden on landfills. But perhaps one of their most significant contributions is their dedication to energy efficiency. Samsung products are designed to consume less energy, reducing carbon emissions and energy bills for consumers. Samsung is also investing in renewable energy. They're harnessing the power of the sun and wind to generate clean energy for their operations. When it comes to sourcing materials, Samsung is committed to responsible and ethical practices. They're working to ensure that their supply chain adheres to sustainability standards. All of these efforts align with Samsung's vision for a more sustainable future, where technology and the environment coexist harmoniously. In this section, we're going to delve into Samsung's commitment to social responsibility and how they're making a meaningful impact on the communities they serve. For Samsung, being a global tech giant means more than just creating innovative products. It means giving back and making a positive difference in the lives of people worldwide. One of their key areas of focus is education. Samsung believes in the power of knowledge and has launched various educational programs aimed at empowering the next generation. But it doesn't stop there. Samsung actively engages in community development projects, working to improve infrastructure, access to healthcare, and overall quality of life. During times of crisis, Samsung is quick to respond. Their disaster relief efforts have provided aid and support to communities affected by natural disasters and emergencies. Samsung's employees are often at the forefront of these initiatives, volunteering their time and skills to make a positive impact. In this section, we're going to address some of the challenges and controversies that have marked Samsung's journey. Every successful company faces hurdles, and Samsung is no exception. Samsung's rise to prominence wasn't without its share of challenges. In the early days, they had to navigate a rapidly changing business landscape and fierce competition. As they grew, Samsung also found themselves entangled in legal disputes. These ranged from patent battles with rivals to antitrust investigations by regulatory authorities. Product recalls have been another challenge. Samsung faced notable recalls due to issues like battery explosions in some of their smartphones, which led to public safety concerns. However, what sets Samsung apart is their ability to learn from these experiences. They've implemented rigorous quality control measures and taken steps to regain consumer trust. Moreover, Samsung has acknowledged its role in society and has actively engaged in social responsibility initiatives to make a positive impact beyond their products. As we approach the final leg of our journey, it's time to set our sights on the future of Samsung. What lies ahead for this global tech giant? Let's explore. Samsung's commitment to innovation continues to drive them forward, and the future holds promises of even more groundbreaking advancements. One area where Samsung is making strides is in emerging technologies. From artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things, they're at the forefront of shaping the digital landscape. Their dedicated research and development teams are hard at work, exploring new frontiers in technology. They're not content with the status quo, they're pushing boundaries and pushing the envelope. 5G technology is a key focus for Samsung. They're investing heavily in infrastructure and devices to harness the power of 5G, transforming the way we connect and communicate. Sustainability remains a priority, and Samsung is dedicated to reducing its environmental impact. Expect to see more eco-friendly products and green initiatives in the future. Samsung is also venturing into healthcare technology, aiming to improve medical diagnostics, remote patient monitoring, and overall wellness. The possibilities are endless, and Samsung's future is filled with exciting opportunities. As they continue to innovate and shape our world, we'll be right there to witness and experience it. And so, we reach the end of our journey through the world of Samsung, a company that has left an indelible mark on our lives and our world. We've explored Samsung's remarkable history, its diverse product portfolio, relentless commitment to innovation, global reach, environmental initiatives, and social responsibility. We've marveled at their iconic smartphones, televisions, appliances, and so much more. Samsung has consistently set new standards, and their dedication to quality and innovation remains unwavering. We've traveled the world with Samsung, witnessing their global presence and the positive impact they've made on communities across the globe. We've seen how Samsung is not just a tech giant but also a responsible steward of the environment, actively working towards a greener and more sustainable future. And we've learned about their dedication to social responsibility, making a difference in the lives of countless individuals through education, community development, and disaster relief. Finally, we've peered into the future, where Samsung is poised to lead the way in emerging technologies, from AI to 5G, promising a world of endless possibilities. As we conclude this journey, it's clear that Samsung's story is one of resilience, innovation, and a commitment to making the world a better place. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Samsung. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more captivating stories of innovation in technology. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: Samsung will continue to shape our world, and we'll be right here to witness and celebrate every step of the way.